What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Color Theory, episode one, and it is a quarantine edition. Unfortunately, the purpose of this channel is really to merge Black culture and technology by speaking about, how technology plays a role in what we do in our day to day. But don't fear, we are going to do a working from home edition today. I'm just going to take you through my desk setup, what works for me, what doesn't work for me, and just take the value out of it that you can, man. And hey, without further ado, let's get into it.